everyone. Welcome, my friends and family. I hope everyone is well. I am blessed, blessed, blessed today. I hope everyone had a wonderful, blessed day today. And I'm coming to you today. This is Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love to all of the ones that I have not seen or heard from in a few days. Today I'm going to be making some baked collard greens in the oven. And I will be using some ready baked skins with a turkey leg in it. With all of the I have cut up and cooked regular baked skins that I have there. And I'll be putting all the ingredients in. And I have the greens over here. They're already the ones that are pre-washed. Okay. And okay, so now after I get these done, let me read my scripture first, and then I'll start getting them into the oven, getting them prepared for the oven. I'm back with the scripture for today, and it's coming from the Genesis 2:3. Then God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because it's on it He rested from all the work of the creating that He had done. Then God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because on it He rested from all the work of creating that He had done. Genesis 2:3. Thank you so much. I hope it will help someone to remember and to understand why we have the seventh day. And I hope it helps someone down the line that I read the scriptures to you all. If you don't go back to today, maybe tomorrow, next week, or next month, or next year. But I hope you will understand that. I hope this scripture will help someone. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to put my greens into this particular pot. And they've already been washed thoroughly and clean. And so they are ready to go in. And I've already have my little broth here in this particular pot.
Y'all, sorry about the lightning. We'll take care of the lightning. As soon as we get another ring light or something. So sorry about it.
Okay, broth. Okay. This is the broth that I've already have, that I had cooked the turkey meat and little bacon bits in there. So I'm going to pour just a little bit more in here. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in the greens mix. Okay. Okay. I'm putting the meat in next.
The smoked turkey and pork skins.
This is onion powder. Garlic powder next. Chesapeake Bay next. We usually use it Chesapeake Bay, but we're out of it, and I just found somewhere to get some. So we've always used that along with the complete. So now this is the complete. Okay. None of this have a lot of sodium in it. I don't need the black pepper, okay. Now this is all of my onions, bell peppers, and sweet peppers. And onions will be going on top. Okay. Now I'm going to pour a little bit more of the broth in there. Just a little bit more on top. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting them in the oven at 350. I'm going to cut the oven down to 200. Okay, I'm getting ready to put it in the oven right now at 350, and I'll be back shortly to let you see what the outcome will be on the baked collard greens. Thank you so much. I'm putting the top on. Now I'm going to put it in the oven.
All right, y'all. We'll be back once it's done. Okay, y'all. She's stirring the greens. They've been in 30 minutes so far. And we'll be back.
Fine presentation of my oven baked collard greens. And they were baked with pig skins and turkey legs and all of this good stuff that I had made the broth out of, okay? And you have bell peppers, onions, and sweet peppers and all in there. Very, very good. They're off the chain 5 times in 1 here. Very, very good. I want you all to try these. I don't know if you want the bacon skins or not, but it is very good with the bacon skin and turkey leg. And then your own ingredients. Very, very good. I'm going to just taste a little bite. I'm not going to eat them right now because I'm waiting for the cornbread is done. But I just want you to see them when I put them on this plate, okay? Now you can also put jalapeno peppers in it if you like. I didn't put any in it this round, but anyway, you chop your meat up real good. So I'm gonna get a taste of it for you. Yeah, so good, so really good. When I tell you, these are off the chain, they're off the chain. Shaking your body a little bit. Kind of shake and rock and everything else, okay? How about that? Come on. All right, I'm going to swing a little bit. I'm going to shake a little bit. I'm going to do this. All right. Off the chain, oven baked collard greens. Thank you all so much. Please try them. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye. All the love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye now.